Hey guys, Purple Fire back with another video, and today we're playing, I think it's Chicken Farm, something like that. So let's do the tutorial. So we got a chicken. Why is it the Minecraft chicken? Ooh, egg. Ooh, cash pack. I didn't ask for that. Take deposit. Ooh, fancy. Get 3 chickens. So I guess I'm just repeating that process. Hurry up! I need some more eggs. 3, 4. I must have been 9! I ain't Elon Musk. Ooh, it's a lot of eggs. And you. Deposit. 2, 3, 4. Hurry up! 13? That's crazy. Oh, it says merge games. I mean, they're alright. They're not that bad. What's this? Ooh. What's that? +1 per second. Oh, those eggs are crazy good. Tier 1. How much money will I make? 157? Oh, come on. It's very disrespectful for not letting anyone use it. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you can, please, can you like and subscribe? You can always change your mind later. Bye bye.